Hey guys, welcome back. Quick question. Have you seen that viral AI Coca-Cola commercial everyone keeps talking about? The one with the glossy Christmas lights, insane reflections, perfect snow particles, and that hyper-polished ad look. It feels like $1 million campaign. And here's the twist. You can make visuals in that exact style yourself right now using Dreamina.
Snowflakes falling like whispered dreams, candy canes and cocoa streams. The air's alive with laughter, it gleams under winter lights. I hear the bells, they're ringing loud. A melody that stirs the crowd.
No team, no designer, no agency, just you plus one sentence. Let's dive in. Dreamina runs on Seedream 4.0 and Nano Banana Pro, and this thing is basically the engine behind those cinematic commercial aesthetics. You type a simple prompt and it generates 4K commercial images with that big brand holiday campaign energy. And because Christmas season is exploding right now, Dreamina turns one person into a full Christmas ad factory. Let me walk you through what you can actually do. First, 0 to Pro. This is pure magic for small shops with zero design experience. We tested it with a local bakery. They typed festive Christmas pastry menu in Coca-Cola holiday style, and Dreamina delivered a full glossy red Christmas poster in 10 seconds. Perfect lighting, soft snow, warm highlights. They printed it instantly and people literally asked which agency they hired. Another one. A small coffee shop needed a holiday drinks menu but had only a phone photo of their cup. Dreamina took that basic photo and rebuilt it into a Coca-Cola style Christmas product shot. Perfect reflections, steam glow, falling snow. The before and after looked like two different worlds. And corporate people, listen to this. One of our community members needed a full set of company Christmas event materials, which has Ralph Lauren Christmas style. They gave Dreamina one sentence and ended up with elevator posters, team invitations, matching banners, and an animated version for their office TVs, all in the Coca-Cola holiday advertising vibe. They said the entire pack looked like a professional campaign. Family scenarios are even more fun. Dreamina can make custom Christmas cards in full commercial style. We tested simple prompts like family Christmas card with Coca-Cola holiday lighting and instantly got warm, cozy compositions that look like high-end print ads. If you want animated cards, Dreamina also turns your still image into a moving visual with snow, sparkles, and soft glow. If you're manually dragging text, fighting templates, resizing every poster manually, stop. Dreamina does platform-ready materials on command. You can generate a Coca-Cola style main poster, then instantly convert it into Instagram square, TikTok vertical, coupon layout, banner, waistbands, sale badge, whatever you need. One poster turns into a full suite of assets. Need fashion content? Dreamina handles model try-ons. You drop one selfie, choose a Christmas commercial style, and instantly generate full outfit sets that look like glossy holiday billboards. Perfect for brands selling clothes this season, or even for planning your own Christmas party outfits. Need quick partial edits? Dreamina can take your original image and fix lighting, change outfits, adjust backgrounds, or add holiday props. We tested turning a normal product shot into a Coca-Cola style Christmas spotlight ad. Dreamina added red backlights, glowing rim lights, and polished reflections with zero manual editing. Now here's a crazy one. A small handicraft seller wanted to recreate Pinterest style Christmas posters but had no photography gear. She fed Dreamina a few reference images plus text. Dreamina replicated the style perfectly and produced holiday ads that looked like they came straight from a professional studio. And the big one, full marketing kit rescue. December hits, businesses panic because they need logos, posters, sale graphics, feed images, coupon layouts, banners, and animated promos. We ran a test with a fictional Christmas candle brand. Dreamina generated product shots, model photos, sale posters, packaging mock-ups, and a Christmas promo animation. Everything matched. Everything looked like real commercial work. This is the part that really breaks the game. You can recreate that Coca-Cola style cinematic vibe across everything. Posters, cards, menus, product pages, animated ads, decorations, outfits, home decor ideas. One person becomes a full creative team. If you saw that viral Coca-Cola AI commercial and thought, damn, I wish I could make something like that, Dreamina literally gives you that style with a single prompt. Use it for your business, for your family, for your content, for your holiday projects, and for free. It's insane how far this tech has jumped. If this helped you, drop a like and subscribe. Check the link in description. More AI tools coming. Stay creative and enjoy the Christmas season.